Adobe Spark Post, you're going to be using it to create your first featured image, and we'll be using it for all our featured images for your blog posts. Now, you're going to start by creating an account. I already have an account, so this is what I see. You can see some of my past projects are here, so I can always go back to them and I can edit them and copy them and whatever. But you're going to see a plus button up here, and you're going to start a new project. Now you could be creating a web page or a video. You're not. You're creating a graphic. So we're going to click on graphic. I like to not start from scratch. I like to modify things that other people have already done. And what I especially like are to pick things not like this where there's icons that might be tough to modify, but to pick things where there's images and text. So I kind of like this one. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to resize it because we don't want a square one. So I'm going to click here, and if I scroll all the way to the top, I get custom image. I'm going to type in 640 by 480, and that's a good size for you to be making all these. They'll be quick to load on the web. You notice it changes the aspect ratio. Now if I click on any element, like I can click on the words and I can edit the words, I can click on the image, I can edit the image. I don't particularly want this image, so I'm going to go here. You'll see that I could upload an image, but it defaults to finding free photos, which are copyright free. So I'm going to pick this one. I could spend much more time searching, but I'm not going to. And then if I want to change words or delete words, I just click on them. So I don't want this line. I'm going to delete it. I could say, gee, I'm going to take this and make it bigger, and I actually want to edit it. And I'm going to type something else in here like this. And I could say, nah, I want to undo that. Then I say, you know what, I just want to get rid of it. So I'm going to get rid of it. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to type in tech teachers like that. Guess we forgot to get rid of that. And click done. And I can make this bigger. I could change the font. I could change the letter spacing and make it spread out, change opacity, make it less dark. I could go in here to colors and I could pick a brighter color, something like that. I could add effects, drop shadows, all kinds of things. I can keep clicking undo. I could take this term and edit it, type in something different. I can even do something called style, which is kind of this thing. You just start cranking this and you get all these different styles. So at some point, I want to give this a name so I can say I'm going to save it. So I'm going to write in tech teachers. So next time I go to look, it'll be there. And let's just say this is the way I want it. And then I'm going to click download. And I'm going to save it. And it's going to direct it to a spot. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and I'm going to save it there. And then I will use it to upload to our blog. So that's been Adobe Spark Post. By the way, there's lots more design elements that you can get into, but we're going to keep it simple for the starters.